3D printing is a form of printing where the final product is a physical three-dimensional item. 3D printing is also known as additive manufacturing. These printers go and begin layering materials such as plastics that create items in all shapes and sizes. You may automatically think you need to have a fancy, expensive computer to direct the printer to create these objects, but you just need a regular computer to do so. You just need to make sure you have a file type, which is the STL file, to print these items. It does not matter what kind of computer it is or even how old of it. Most of these STL files are small, like JPEGs in terms of contrast, but if you need to print something larger, it may require a better, more expensive computer to do so due to storage and resolution issues. Even though 3D printing is a newer concept, some big industries are beginning to incorporate it into their daily work. These industries include aerospace, robotics, automotive, and even education. In Canada, there are very little laws against the use of 3D printing like the United States. The only thing that is illegal with using 3D printers is using them to print out firearms, such as guns. Like mentioned before, 3D printing is becoming more popular in many industries, even aerospace. The use of these 3D printers make it easier for less tools to be used in making. They are lightweight, and it surprisingly reduces the number of parts that the aircraft needs. Even though most 3D printers use materials such as plastics to print out the object, aerospace 3D printers can involve the printing of metal objects. These machines do run about $250,000 per machine, but it does provide the employees with the high quality parts they need to make the aircraft at a cheaper and quicker method. One of the big pros of using 3D printers in the aerospace industry is being able to customize each part that is printed. Now, what does this mean to improving Canada? With using these parts, it surprisingly makes aircraft more fuel efficient as we move with these innovations. It additionally is opening new jobs and improving how aircraft looks and increases the ideas of STEM in education. Some of these aerospace companies are hosting academies where they are inviting high school and college students to come and spend a summer with them and learn how these 3D printers are used. They are learning skills they can potentially use if they were to accept a job with the company. As well, these students who are in attendance can share their ideas, which could later improve how aircraft take in fuel and potentially create a Tesla-like aircraft. Now for two truths and a lie. Good luck. One, back in 2015, Canada provided the aerospace industry with $5 million to advance the use of 3D printers. Two, one of the largest aerospace part manufacturers is in North Carolina. Three, the 3D printer was just recently introduced to the aerospace industry. And the lie is number 3. Though it is becoming more popular with the advancements in technology, it is estimated that they were first used in the aerospace industry in the late 1980s.